Okay, babe, be honest. You said this summer you'd glow up. Wake up early, do skincare, read books, work out, go on cute walks, and live your main character moment. But instead, you're waking up at noon, binge-watching shows, and snacking in bed. Yep, been there, and I know how overwhelming this is. But girl, this summer, we're changing that. We're gonna romanticize our life, glow up, mentally, physically, emotionally, and become that girl. You know, the one who looks cute, feels confident, and still has the most fun. Like, imagine walking into school after summer and everyone's like, OMG, what happened to her? So grab your iced latte, get comfy, and let's dive into your new summer routine that's fun, not boring or strict, but balanced, exciting, and feels like you're living in a summer movie. Let's start with mornings, because how you start your day sets the whole vibe. No more waking up at noon, babes. Wake up 9 a.m. Not too early, not too late. Enjoy the luxury of no school stress. Use an aesthetic alarm like birds chirping or your favorite song. Open your windows, let the sunshine in, and drink a big glass of water, and play your favorite summer playlist to get in the vibe. Make your bed. Trust me, that 2-min task makes you feel 10x more organized. Brush your teeth. Yes, girl, no skipping. And move to your skincare. Use a gentle face wash, especially for teens, no harsh stuff. And splash your face with cold water. It seriously wakes you up. Apply rose water or a hydrating toner. Moisturize based on your skin type. Gel-based for oily, cream-based for dry. And never skip sunscreen, even if you're indoors. Finish with a cute tinted lip balm and boom, fresh, clean, and glowy. Now brush your hair and wear something cute but comfy. Looking good makes you feel good. Gratitude journal or affirmations say, in front of a mirror or write, I'm becoming the best version of me. Today is a fresh new day and I'm excited for it. Let's get those summer endorphins going. You don't have to hit the gym 15 minutes of stretching or yoga, a dance workout from YouTube, skipping rope, or even a walk around your block while listening to your favorite playlist or podcast. Make it cute, wear a matching set, put on a hairband, and pretend you're the main character in a summer movie. Summer mornings are perfect for outdoor activities, and you don't have to overdo it. Just 30 minutes of movement to trust me. Moving in the morning makes you feel energized. And your mood? 10/10. Take a shower and refresh. Whether it's a quick rinse or a long, relaxing bath, this is the perfect way to unwind. Use your favorite body wash or a fruity or floral body wash and shampoo, and let yourself feel fully refreshed. A good shower is an instant mood lifter. Then have a healthy breakfast. Think fruit bowls, eggs, smoothies, or oats with honey and berries, or peanut butter toast plus banana. You'll feel energized, not sleepy. Now, when you are done with all the things you could use this time to do any pending task, we all have that one random messy drawer we keep ignoring. Or that school assignment we swore we'd do tomorrow like a week ago. But today's the day we stop ghosting our pending tasks. Maybe it's organizing your messy shelf, finally replying to those seen messages. Yes, we know. Finishing up your summer homework, or that assignment that's been haunting your dreams, or editing that video you filmed 3 weeks ago for your Insta or YouTube channel. You got this, content queen. If you're planning to start a small biz, maybe it's time to design your logo, post something on your shop's IG. Girl, just pick one tiny thing a day, even if it takes 10 minutes. And I promise, you'll feel like you're winning at life. Midday skincare and self-care, yes, bestie. This is the perfect time for self-love rituals. You could go for DIY face masks or hair oiling, body oil massage, make a natural lip scrub, sugar plus honey, paint your nails or do a simple mani-pedi. Write kind notes to yourself or do a tech detox for an hour. You're growing emotionally too, not just glowing on the outside. Hobby hour. After a short break, it's time for your creative side to shine. Paint, draw, write, craft, and learn digital art. Whatever makes your soul sparkle. I've made a video on list of hobbies to enter your hot girl era. Make sure to check it out. You don't have to be perfect, just enjoy the process. You might discover a new passion, and you'll be shocked at how talented you are when you give yourself a chance. Lunchtime. Refuel and relax. After your hobby time, freshen up. It's time for a light but filling lunch. You could go for a salad with lots of veggies, a hearty sandwich, or even a smoothie bowl with granola and fresh fruit. Whatever you choose, make sure it's nutritious so that you'll have plenty of energy for the afternoon. Make sure to help out in the kitchen. Bonus points for trying new recipes with your mom. Sit and eat lunch with your family. Talk, laugh, and share your day. These little bonding moments are everything. Now it's time for your cozy girl hour. Snuggle in your bed or find a sunny corner and read a book that inspires you. If books aren't your thing, try podcasts or audiobooks while cleaning or walking. Curl up with a good book, even for 20 minutes. Let your brain feel something other than TikTok sounds. Feeling tired? Take a short 20-30 minutes nap. Not too long, just enough to refresh. Snack time, keep it light. By now, you're probably feeling a little snacky, so grab something light. Go for healthy options like fruit, nuts, or some crackers or popcorns. And yeah, sometimes you could for noodles and chips. This is the time to relax. Watch your comfort show or scroll TikTok, but don't get stuck for hours. Outings or family time? Evenings are perfect for connecting. Go for a walk with your siblings. Grab ice cream with your cousins. Bike around your neighborhood. Go to parties with your friends. Help your mom with dinner or have a chit-chat with your mom. Capture these moments. They'll be your favorite memories one day. Watch TV or catch up on shows. By now, it's probably time to unwind with some TV time. Watch your favorite series, catch up on YouTube videos, or just scroll through Netflix to find something new. This is the perfect time to relax and do absolutely nothing. Grab some popcorn, get comfy, and enjoy a movie night or binge watch your favorite shows. Dinner time. Enjoy and unwind. Now it's time for a cozy dinner. Whether you're helping your family cook or simply enjoying a meal together, make it a relaxing time. Share the highlights of your day and laugh with your family. Help your family and pitch in. After dinner, it's always good to pitch in and help with any chores. Whether it's washing the dishes, folding laundry, or tidying up the kitchen, a little teamwork can make everything go faster. Journal and night reset. Wind down your day with peace, tidy your room, take a warm shower, brush your hair, and apply your night skincare. Reflect on your day. What made you smile? What can you do better tomorrow? Void screens 30 minutes before bed. Try journaling like, what am I grateful for? What's one thing I'm proud of? Set your clothes for tomorrow and set tomorrow's goals. And sleep like a queen you are. Let yourself drift into peaceful sleep, knowing you lived a beautiful, balanced day. You did great today.